How to manifest, a step-by-step guide. Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires, goals, or dreams into reality by aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's based on the principle that your mindset and beliefs shape your experiences. Whether it's improving your career, relationships, or personal growth, manifestation can be a powerful tool for creating the life you want. Here are 10 key concepts to help you better understand how to manifest effectively. 1. Understand the power of intention. Manifestation begins with setting clear and specific intentions. This is the foundation for focusing your energy and attention on what you want. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," set a detailed intention like, "I want to earn $10,000 a month doing work I'm passionate about." 2. Visualize your goals. Visualization involves imagining your desired outcome as if it's already achieved. This helps create a mental image that aligns with your goals and strengthens your belief in their possibility. For example, close your eyes and picture yourself in your dream job, feeling confident and fulfilled. 3. Align your thoughts and beliefs. Your thoughts and beliefs play a crucial role in manifestation. Replace negative self-talk or limiting beliefs with empowering ones that support your goals. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm not good enough," affirm, "I have the skills and determination to succeed." 4. Practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life, raising your energy and attracting more of what you appreciate. For example, start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're thankful for every day. 5. Take inspired action. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it requires taking consistent action toward your goals. Pay attention to opportunities and act on them. For example, if you want to start a business, begin by researching your niche or networking with like-minded individuals. 6. Trust the process. Patience and trust are essential for manifestation. Avoid obsessing over the outcome or doubting the process. For example, if your goal doesn't manifest immediately, remind yourself that everything is unfolding in the right time and way. 7. Use affirmations. Positive affirmations help reinforce your goals and beliefs. Repeat statements that affirm your worthiness and capability to manifest your desires. For example, say, "I am capable of achieving my goals, and I attract opportunities effortlessly." 8. Let go of resistance. Resistance, such as fear, doubt, or attachment to specific outcomes, can block your manifestations. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you can't. For example, instead of worrying about when your goal will happen, stay present and focus on the steps you can take today. 9. Surround yourself with positivity. The people and environments you engage with influence your mindset. Surround yourself with supportive, uplifting influences that encourage your goals. For example, connect with a community of people who share your aspirations and inspire you to stay focused. 10. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledging progress, no matter how small, reinforces your commitment and belief in the process. Celebrate milestones along the way to keep your energy high. For example, treat yourself to something special when you complete a step toward your goal. Final thoughts. Manifestation is a blend of mindset, emotion, and action. By setting clear intentions, aligning your beliefs, and taking inspired steps, you can create the life you envision. Remember, it's not about waiting for your dreams to happen, it's about actively shaping your reality with purpose and positivity.